Hey there! So, let's dive into the interesting problem we're facing today. Our friend here has been struggling with a connectivity issue on their Windows 10 system. The dreaded no internet secured message keeps popping up, regardless of the method they try to connect to the internet. They've gone through a series of troubleshooting steps, from resetting services to reinstalling networking drivers, but nothing seems to do the trick. Even pinging 8.8.8.8 resulted in a general failure message. Quite the puzzling problem, isn't it? Now, on to the solution. After some exploration and trial and error, it turns out that the firewall settings might have been causing some trouble. By running a specific sequence of commands, our problem solver was able to reset the WinSock, IP settings, and firewall configurations. The exact commands used were net add firewall reset, followed by IP protocol configuration flushtons. And voila! Success was achieved as they were finally able to ping google.com successfully. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Problem solved. To wrap things up, we've seen how a persistent network problem on Windows 10 was conquered by resetting some key configurations. It's a good reminder that troubleshooting sometimes requires a bit of patience and persistence. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, don't hesitate to try out these steps. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips. Hit the like button if this was helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or your favorite networking fail story. Until next time, stay connected and keep troubleshooting with a smile.